think it went out. It might be done.
Yeah, it might be done. They don't go for too long.
Isn't there more?
Boy, where are we?
At the fireworks.
What's the date?
The 3rd. I'm done,
Yep.
Jody. It's almost done.
Kind of. Hi. Yeah, didn't you remember that? No. Grandma on the fireworks. And her best friend Laura on the fireworks. Laura's on Hey Laura. Good, that worked. Oh, poor thing. That reminds me of the time Joey sold Michael the puke car. And every time he got into those cities that were warm, it'd start smelling real bad. Remember that? And then I had to ride in it to a comedy show with him, and I was like about to barf. I think I might have. Actually. She said she's working from home that day for some reason. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I don't know. It's kind of like an all-day thing for a lot of them. So I think I might ask her if we can do that. Maybe like we'll see. We just got done with the fireworks and they were so much fun. We stopped at Super America quick. Got Dominic sleeping over in Malloy. They're being silly looking at Malloy's yearbook. And anyway, it's the 3rd of July, so we have, our town does fireworks on the 3rd, and then we go one neighborhood over to see the fireworks tomorrow. And then that's where I grew up. And so I've been going to those fireworks for 35, 36 years. So we'll go to those ones tomorrow. And that's it. Say hi, guys.
Hi.